Hi, I'm Johnny. Let me show you a quick tour of a JUCY Chaser and show you the features that will make your adventure more enjoyable and comfortable. The camper takes 91 unleaded fuel. To open, pull the lever below the driver's wheel, unscrew the cap and start filling. To plug into a powered campsite, locate the plug under the bottom bed storage. Plug into the camper and then into the campsite power station. To empty the grey water, remove the grey water hose from the storage. Connect the pipe and twist to lock into place. Pull the handle towards the back of the vehicle. The gas bottle is located on the passenger's side of the vehicle. Unlock using the key and turn the gas on by turning it anti-clockwise. To refill the gas, this can be done at some fuel stations. Just look for the LPG label on the petrol station sign. To fill up with fresh water, locate the freshwater hose from the storage, attach the hose to the hose connector and then to the tap. The fire extinguisher is located at the bottom of the fridge. Spare tyre is located in front of your vehicle. Your tools are located inside the passenger's side door in the small storage box. This is your control panel. You have 4 switches: lights, water pump, fridge and ACC. This is for the USB and radio. To operate the lights, make sure the light switch is on the control panel. You can also turn them off individually by pressing on the indet or the switches. For the gas stove, turn on the gas from the bottle. Push and turn the gas knob in to full. Push the igniter switch until the gas ignites. Keep holding the gas knob in for about 2 to 3 seconds and then release it. To use the sink tap, make sure the water pump button is on and the hot water is heated. Lift the tap and twist to the desired temperature. To operate the fridge, make sure the fridge switch is on the control panel. To operate the toilet, use the handle to pump the water into the bowl. To flush, pull the grey lever on the side of the bowl towards the wall and then back again to close. To empty the toilet cassette, open the cassette door, lift the blue clip and pull the cassette out. When inserting back in, make sure the toilet plate is closed. The camper van is equipped with a shower, complete with hot and cold water. To operate, make sure the water is heated and the water pump and light is turned on. The camper is equipped with a small hot water cylinder. The water is heated by 2 ways. One, by driving the vehicle for at least 15 minutes or plugging into a powered campsite. To set up the top bed, unclip the netting. From the middle, pull the handle out towards the kitchen until the bed stops. To set up the bottom bed, grab the L-shaped bed piece from behind the front seats. Align the panel into the grooves of the seat and the bench and attach the cushion.
That's all for today. If you need any more information, please check out our help hub online or the handy how-to guide in your vehicle. If you have any issues on road, please give us a call. See you later.